Hi, I'm Davi.
And I'm Andrea.
We are DNA and we love wines.
That's true.
So today we get back to Austria, where we have been this year with this Netzel, Cornuton, Edelstahl. And this wine here is a 2021. We have from similar winery, similar region, beginning of this year. I bought this about 4 months ago and it costed 20 euro. So it's time to give a try. Let's see what this wine brings to us. Let's do it?
Yeah.
Perfect. So cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Interesting. Interesting wine. I really like it. It's not anything like you have tried before. It's a special wine from Austria, and I think it's a good wine.
It is a good wine, especially because it's from Europe. So usually they are very acidic.
Yes, that's
This one is not acidic, so it's a good try.
perfect. That's all we need. So, and see you next time.
Enjoy.